Hey guys, it's Sarah from Sleepopolis, and today I'm answering the 7 most frequently asked questions about picking the perfect pillow. So whether you're just about to embark on your pillow shopping journey or you're wondering why your current pillow just isn't working for you, I'm here to help you out. Of course, if I don't answer a particular question you have in mind in this video, don't hesitate to give me a shout in the comment section below. I'm always checking back and I'd be happy to help. All right, let's get started. All right, first question, what are the best pillows for side sleepers? Well, first of all, it's important to note that everybody is different and everybody sleeps differently, even if you all sleep in the same position. That's why there's no one pillow fits all rule for any sleep style. Now that said, there are some general guidelines to follow when you're shopping for a side sleeper pillow. Now firstly, your pillow should be lofty or high enough to hold your head in neutral alignment with your spine and relieve pressure at your shoulder at the same time. Now typically this means a loft of at least 4 inches high, but broad-shouldered sleepers might find that that's still even a bit too low and need something closer to 6 or even 7 inches deep. Now secondly, your pillow must be firm enough to maintain that loft throughout the entire course of your slumber. That's why it's important to remember that loft and firmness go hand in hand. Like, you could find a super lofty pillow that's 6 inches high, but if it's got an extra soft firmness rating, it's just gonna slowly compress beneath the weight of your head. So essentially, side sleepers need a lofty pillow with a firm feel in order to maintain healthy posture and relieve pressure throughout the body. And you can find my personal favorite side sleeper pillows by searching for Best Side Sleeper Pillows of 2020 on sleepopolis.com. Okay, next question. What are the best pillows for stomach sleepers? Well, stomach sleepers need pretty much the exact opposite of what side sleepers need. So in order to maintain neutral spine alignment and prevent the head from being craned upwards, stomach sleepers need a low lofted pillow with a soft feel. So not only will this keep your head, neck, and spine in healthy neutral alignment, but it'll also relieve pressure in your lower back and abdomen as well. In fact, some stomach sleepers may find that it's helpful to use one soft, low lofted pillow for the head and then slip another one beneath the hips as well. So when you're shopping for a stomach sleeper pillow, the main thing to keep in mind is that it should be soft enough to compress into a loft of 2 inches or fewer. And again, you can find my top picks for stomach sleepers on sleepopolis.com. All right, next question is, what are the best pillows for back sleepers? Well, back sleepers are kind of lucky in that they don't have to follow hard and fast rules in the same way that side and stomach sleepers do. In general, back sleepers are most compatible with a medium level of loft and firmness, but they have some room to experiment with what feels best for them. For example, some back sleepers prefer a thinner pillow with a lower loft to really enjoy that flat back position, while others like to feel a big lofty pillow cradling their head and neck. So take some time to experiment with what feels right to you, but keep this one main thing in mind. Neutral spine alignment is the name of the game. So regardless of your preferred sleeping position, your pillow should always promote neutral alignment of your head, neck, and spine. Okay, so what if you're a combination sleeper who enjoys every sleeping position? Well, that's where the elusive all-position pillow comes into play. Now, I will say, as a combo sleeper myself, it can be tough to find a pillow that works for every sleeping position, especially if you're a side and stomach sleeper. But in general, I find that a pillow that combines plushness and support works best because it's going to offer the best versatility. And these pillows, in my experience, typically have a dual construction or an adjustable internal fill. For example, the Sattva pillow and original Casper pillow are 2 of my personal favorite combo sleeper pillows because they both feature a dual construction wherein an outer pillow envelops an inner pillow for balanced support. But you can also remove that middle insert to reduce the loft if you're primarily a stomach sleeper. So like I said, it really gives you some versatility there. Now, similarly, adjustable pillows that have an adjustable internal fill, literally let you go in and remove as much stuffing as you like until you reach your perfect level of loft and firmness. So while finding a great all-position pillow can be a little tricky, it's generally a safe bet to pick one that's adjustable or versatile enough to adapt to each sleep style. Now, for a full list of combo sleeper pillows, just go ahead and search sleepopolis.com for best combo sleeper pillows of 2020, and I'll show you my personal favorites. Okay, now that we've covered every sleep style, allow me to address some more general questions. So firstly, is memory foam good for every sleeping position? Well, memory foam is certainly one of the most popular materials in this industry, and with good reason. It's moldable, conforms to your body's shape, and can do a great job of relieving pressure at your head and neck. However, it does tend to be better for back and side sleepers than for folks who sleep on their stomachs. And that's because memory foam is often a bit more dense and firm than what stomach sleepers need to keep healthy posture. Now that said, stomach sleepers who have their hearts set on memory foam can look for pillows that advertise a super low loft and an extra soft firmness rating. But as far as back and side sleepers are concerned, yes, memory foam can be a really great pick for you. It cradles the head and neck in a really supportive way and does a great job of maintaining its loft throughout the night. Okay, next question, how do you cool a pillow down? Well, this question is particularly near and dear to my heart because I'm a very hot sleeper year round. And if you've ever found yourself flipping your pillow back and forth again and again in order to sleep on the cool side, you know that it can be tough to sleep on a pillow that feels too warm. So, how do you cool a pillow down? Well, there are two main things you can do. Firstly, invest in a cooling pillow. There are dozens of pillows out there that are made specifically for hot sleepers and feature cooling gel pads, special cooling cover fabrics, copper infusions that draw heat away from your body. The list goes on and on. So if you are looking for a cooling pillow, I heartily recommend you check my Best Cooling Pillows of 2020 review on sleepopolis.com. Of course, if you're not necessarily interested in getting a brand new pillow and you're just looking for a way to make your current pillow cooler, I suggest shopping for a cooling pillowcase and or sheet set. So bamboo, tencel, or anything with phase change material woven into the fabric are all materials that can feel really soothing on the skin and serve as a super cooling barrier between you and your warm pillow. Okay, so you finally found the pillow that's perfect for you, and now you want to know, how long is this thing actually going to last? Well, the short answer is that every single pillow is built differently, and each one has a different lifespan that mainly depends on how it was made. Now that said, here are a couple general rules of thumb to follow. So first of all, I recommend checking in with your pillow every 6 to 8 months just to make sure that it's still maintaining its shape and it's not caving in the center. You're also going to want to make sure that the internal fill isn't separating or clumping within the pillow, because that can be a sign that it's no longer properly supporting you. But another good indicator of a pillow's lifespan is its warranty. So, for example, if you see a pillow that's backed by a 1-year warranty, there's a good chance that it's built to last you at least 1 year. And finally, it's important to remember that pillows are not made to last a lifetime. And if you've been snoozing on the same pillow for many, many years, it's probably time for an upgrade. So for my top pillow picks, be sure to check out my Best Pillows of 2020 review on sleepopolis.com. Well, that's it from me, but remember, if you want an even more detailed guide of what to look for when you're pillow shopping, just go to sleepopolis.com, click guides, and you'll find my in-depth article on how to pick the perfect pillow. And while you're there, you'll also notice our guides to choosing the right mattress, how to fall asleep faster, how to fold a fitted sheet, and so much more. So take some time to look around. Now, in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media because we're always putting out more content with an aim to get you some better sleep. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.